Good morning, Gladiators. It is Monday, February 1st, and we are starting week 5 of the grading period. So let's take a look at our week at a glance. So the first thing we're going to do today is review our moon phase data collection, and then we want to start talking about galaxies, because this week we're going to start talking about those objects that we find in space and in the universe. After we've done galaxies, tomorrow we're going to talk about other objects, other celestial bodies that you might see, and compare relative sizes in space. On Wednesday, we're going to start our discussion of stars. You will learn about the life cycle of stars, how they transition from one phase to the next. And then on Thursday, we're going to talk about those characteristics that astronomers use to categorize stars, which takes us into how they categorize stars. On Friday, we'll talk about the HR diagram, or the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. So first thing, remember, let's take a look today at our moon phases. So you go to your main materials page, and you will see our moon phases. So last week, we were at a full moon on Thursday. So if we look, there was Friday. Here's Saturday. You notice we're still at a waning gibbous. You're losing a little bit of light on the right-hand side, but we're still at 97% illumination on Saturday. So if we take a look at the 3 days, you can see how it's making a very slow transition to losing its light. And then on Sunday, we're down to 91% illumination. And then finally, today, we'll be at about 84% illumination. Now you can actually now see more of the darkness on the right. So we're gaining the darkness. We're losing light and gaining darkness. So we are in a waning gibbous phase. All right, so let's continue talking about astronomy. So in our week 5 folder, we go to Monday. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to be in our IMB on slide 18. So if we go to our IMB, and let's go to slide 18. So you see it's all about galaxies. So when we talk about galaxies, we have to talk about their shape. That's how scientists group them, based on their shape. So there's the spiral, the elliptical, and the irregular. Now, the spiral is what the Milky Way galaxy is. It has a central bulge, and then it's got arms that go around it. If it's like a flattened oval or circle, it's an elliptical. And the ones that have really just a scattering of stars, where they're just kind of clumped together, that would be considered irregular. Now, you have to know, where is our solar system located in the entire Milky Way galaxy? Well, it's a misconception that we are located at the center. We are actually on one of the outer arms. So our solar system, which is the sun with all of our planets, is in one of the outer arms. Okay? There's a video here for you to watch. It's all about the Milky Way galaxy. It's a really interesting video about some predictions. Once you have finished reading these, watching the video, and answering your post-it, then you're going to go into Wizer.me. So if you log into Wizer.me, click on this, and do login with Google or connect with Google, and you'll have an assignment. Go to your assignments. So once you're in, I'll just use this class. Under assignments, you'll see galaxies. So that's what you're going to work on. Now for the galaxies worksheet, you are going to be answering some questions. You're going to drag and drop these different galaxies into the correct shape, and it tells you how many in each one. And then we're going to do some straight matching, just connect, okay, based on a description. And on the last one, I want you to draw and label where might our galaxy be, our solar system be on the Milky Way galaxy. You're going to draw it on here. Okay. When you finish, you're going to submit that, and I will have to grade this last part. It'll grade the others, but I have to grade that last part. Okay? All right, Gladiators. Make sure you get everything completed. As always, message me if you have questions or join us on Zoom. Have a great day, Gladiators.